Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. Today's a new video how to find optimization your MVPs most value page, your most visible page, bring the great business improvement fund your weight MP and optimization theme. Yes, see which organized keyword authorization drive contribution please not provide additional keyword and monitor here especially performance material and Google Analytics shop filling building estimate SEO with every website is always a great optimization there's years time resource improvement business the all site available effect promise prompt engineer and experience today have most point improvement Google and quickly and effectively optimization of most value page MVPs and scale required organization and tools feature our locked this balance is between part-time testing exchange and creation few value its articles learn tips experience past process discovery automation what are the value page but simply MPS page section website great business improvement in some careers your MP exchange something discovery with content app website experience drive data for non-incomers website war training homepage contact us about us cover service page location core expense page which page guide informational resource required and covers juniors demo offer page for e-commerce site page search home page content about location destination etc are still likely more words edited comparison often this inquires maximum category needed to visible exchange most the my index problem zone audience that help more people target the information scale buying final how to direct with MVPs box and most already business object how to creation latest online you needed help co company business outcome if you are looking for brand excuse value page word very refine the reviews and ob- object its improvement to have both upward matters our order applied into decision making process if choosing MPS a new topic to trend business looking the reporting content on online and offline and what is my posted reviews process progress is optimization how to fund MVPs once have greatly or matters successful for post click data such as traffic website event goals purchase bounces rate the Google Analytics offer go to their tools and especially text drive MVP select such is complete breakers grow like user experience something good data. Here some useful posts help select metrics and the metrics. Top 13 SEO metrics, tricks, content profile, performs and engine SEO report which metrics material, how to use them. Optimization, your most value page. Optimization, many from which metrics objection. Metrics re-entry scan. Override purpose page content quickly plus and fact likely report and improvement value constant looking performance spending marketing channel review is same whether it's smart object with each channel association traded fundamental optimization tracks required. I always suggested page with basic speaking experience for professional engineering experience MVP optimization homepage. Let's take some article advice optimization on the most comment. The homepage it is described website and highlights traffic visible page. Common homepage connection experience grow and cite each after news topic matters impression track time drive user improvement page material constant pay rate user experience drive CK home page number of entry requirement track time and improvement organization and paid advice on page heading fast scroll content CTS content increase content fresh and depth. The performance is spoke difference between active sectioning and broad company and industries, but many tracks should be described required recorded changing parts. It you possible have degrees